Absolutely fascinating. Today, we're delving into the realm of artificial intelligence with a revolutionary AI model known as critic GPT. Picture this: a vigilant sidekick to ChatGPT. Critic GPT is here to revolutionize the way we train AI systems. But what exactly is critic GPT? Well, it's an AI model built on the powerful GPT-4 architecture, designed to meticulously scan through ChatGPT's code output, sniffing out bugs and inaccuracies that even human trainers might miss. As AI technology advances, so do the complexities of errors within these systems. That's where critic GPT steps in, acting as our AI quality control expert, ensuring that ChatGPT is finely tuned for optimal performance. By providing insightful critiques, critic GPT not only enhances the accuracy of ChatGPT, but also strengthens the overall AI training process. Imagine having a superhero in the AI world, tirelessly battling code bugs to elevate the capabilities of our AI companions. It's truly a game changer in the realm of artificial intelligence. So if you're captivated by the endless possibilities of AI and the innovative solutions it brings, critic GPT is a name you'll want to remember. Stay tuned for more AI adventures, and remember, AI is not just a tool, it's our ally in shaping the future of technology.